Hi, I'm John Taws. I'm pleased to be here with you today at Taws Hall, named after my grandfather, Edward Town Taws Sr. The O'Neill School, originally called the Wallace O'Neill Day School, was the vision of a group of representatives of our community who came together along with my father and determined that the opportunity for an independent school education would be an important feature to our Sandhills community. This vision was realized through great effort, significant contribution of many members of our community. And I could not be more proud than to carry on that tradition today.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Sager. I'm the division head for the middle school at the O'Neill School, and this is my 6th year here on faculty. I am also the proud parent of 2 O'Neill alumni. I think one of the things that makes this school a very, very special place is the student experience. There is no place like it. The student life options that we offer between pep rallies and school-wide events, school picnics, it's unmatched anywhere that I've ever been in my 25 years as an educator. The ability to take kids on class trips every year, get to know them, get to bond with them, meet them as individuals, learn who they are, learn what makes them special and unique is truly something that you don't find anywhere else except O'Neill. I think that builds on the teacher relationships that we have as educators here at the school and really allows us to get to know the needs of our students, the desires, their dreams, and help them to achieve those dreams. The class sizes as part of that student experience are absolutely unmatched in this area. We can do experiments, we can do activities, project-based learning, anything that we need to do to make learning come alive for our students because of our class size, and that enhances the experience of our learners. The other thing that really makes this a very, very special place is that we don't just focus on facts and figures and numbers and test scores. We get to focus on growing learners and good citizens. We get to teach kids how to inquire, how to ask questions, how to do research, all the way from the elementary school up through the high school, and especially here in the middle school, where they're really learning about themselves as individuals and learning to become scholars. We have that ability because of our class size, because of our facilities, and those are the things that really make this a great place to be for our students, our families, and especially for our teachers as well.